Okay, hello everybody, crazy milling people. Well, this is my third attempt at setting my milling machine up to mill glass. It's not entirely trivial. Clamping the glass is the hardest thing, so I've rigged up this jig here with these multiple clamps. The more observant of you might notice that these are actually going to foul the milling machine, so this is just a trial run. I didn't want to go to too much trouble if it wasn't actually going to work. So I can only operate in the lower half of the travel at the moment, just because these clamps are kind of in the way. But you know, I just wanted them. Well, I've milled you can see I've milled a little hole. So anyway, I'm going to mill another one now. So I'm going to turn the motor on. Okay, the motor's running. And I'm going to start the G code. So off it goes. It's plunging very slowly. The feed rate is extremely slow. Goes. Now the whole the whole thing is submerged in the water bath. So I've got a tray here. The glass is sitting on a sort of very dense polystyrene foam, and then the whole tray is filled with water with a little splash of shower shine to act as to break the surface tension down, so the water sticks to the bit a bit better. And I keep waiting for something horrible to happen. Is it running? Right, okay. So that's plunged to its cutting depth now. Something's going to go wrong in a minute. I can feel it, hear it coming. The forces on everything are just horrible. I mean, cutting glass is just an absolute nightmare. I wouldn't recommend it. I just thought I'd give it a go. I'm trying to cut some circles at the moment. You can see hear from the vibration in the patination on the water that the cutter's having a bit of a hard time. It's a diamond coated burr cutter, 3mm, running at about 5,000 RPM. But the feed rate very, very, very slow. So anyway, I'll be back in a minute if it ever gets there. Right, blast, another failure. Yeah. You can see here the glass is cracked. It got about halfway round the circle. It was doing a 40mm circle, and it got about halfway round, and then the stress was too much, and the glass is cracked. Bits though feels alright still. It's just too much pressure on the glass. I don't know how to fix that. Anybody got any ideas? Yeah. Okay. Cheers.